In the world of rat rod racing, hand-painted decals and sign painting aren't just decoration. They're a badge of honor and a vital part of racing culture. Unlike pristine show cars, rat rods celebrate imperfection, creativity, and resourcefulness. Owners use salvaged doors, rusty panels, and old trunks as canvases for bold graphics, wild pinstriping, and vintage-style lettering. Each brushstroke tells a story, from cheeky slogans and nicknames to racing numbers and shop logos. This tradition harks back to the golden age of hot rodding, when racers couldn't afford fancy vinyl or professional paint jobs. Instead, they grabbed a brush and made their mark with whatever materials were at hand. The process is pure DIY. Some use traditional sign painting techniques, others freehand with house paint or even spray cans. Every drip, streak, and uneven line adds character, turning each car into rolling folk art. These hand-painted graphics become the identity of the vehicle and its driver at drag strips, dirt tracks, and car meets. It's an art form born from necessity, fueled by passion, and proudly displayed at every contest of speed and skill.